Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make curry sausages. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 500 grams of your preferred sausages, 2 tablespoons of a flavorful curry powder, and 1 finely chopped onion. Don't forget 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 400-gram can of crushed tomatoes, and some vegetable broth. These simple components will form the foundation of our tasty meal. It's a straightforward process, perfect for any home cook. Now, let's get those sausages cooking. Heat a large pan with a tablespoon of oil over medium-high heat. Place your sausages in the hot pan and brown them on all sides until they're beautifully golden, which should take about 8 to 10 minutes. Once cooked, remove them from the pan and set them aside to cool slightly. This step ensures they are ready for slicing into perfect bite-sized pieces for our curry. Next, we'll create our rich curry sauce. Using the same pan, sauté the chopped onion until it's soft and translucent. Then, add the minced garlic and 2 tablespoons of curry powder, cooking for just 1 minute until you smell that wonderful aroma. Pour in the 400-gram can of crushed tomatoes and about 100 milliliters of vegetable broth. Let this simmer gently for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing all those delicious flavors to truly meld together. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully add your sliced, cooked sausages back into the simmering curry sauce. Stir everything gently to ensure every piece of sausage is beautifully coated in that rich, aromatic sauce. Let it heat through for just a few minutes until everything is perfectly warmed. Serve your homemade curry sausages hot, perhaps with some fluffy rice or a piece of crusty bread for a truly satisfying meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.